In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word form fields to autofill information. This feature is extremely useful when creating forms, contracts, certificates, or templates where the same information, such as a name, date, or address, needs to appear in multiple places. By setting up autofill form fields correctly, you can save time, reduce errors, and create professional, easy-to-use documents. To get started, the first step is to enable the Developer tab, which provides access to all the form controls in Word. Click on the File tab, then select Options. In the Word Options window, choose Customize Ribbon from the left-hand menu. On the right side, under Main tabs, check the box labeled Developer and click OK. You will now see the Developer tab appear in the ribbon at the top of your screen. Next, place your cursor where you want the first form field to appear. Go to the Developer tab and select Plain Text Content Control to insert a fillable text box. You can click inside this box and type placeholder text, such as Enter Name, to guide the person completing the form. This makes the document user-friendly and clear. To enable autofill functionality, you need to configure the field properties. Click on the content control you just added and then click Properties in the Developer tab. In the Properties window, you can assign a title and a tag to the field. The tag is particularly important because any fields in your document with the same tag name will automatically update to match. This means that when a user enters information into one field, every other field with the same tag will automatically reflect that same data. Repeat this process for other information you want to autofill, such as dates, addresses, or reference numbers. Make sure to use consistent tag names for fields that should mirror each other. To prevent accidental edits in other parts of the document, go to the Developer tab, click Restrict Editing, and set the editing restrictions to filling in forms only. This ensures that the structure and formatting of your document remain intact while users can easily complete the autofill fields. Using content controls to autofill form fields in Microsoft Word improves accuracy, saves time, and makes your documents look professional. Experiment with different fields, tags, and layouts to create clean and efficient forms. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.